Dear America, I love you. We love you. And just like I thought, the only way to take down this nation is from the inside. And guess what's happening right now? We're being dismantled from the inside. Just look to Salem, Oregon. You will see a capital that has been shut down and is scheduled to be shut down till 2027. If you lose 1,500 constituents per day, you lose all of your constituents by 2027. If you have corrupt people in charge, you will have a corrupt system that no one is paying attention to because, hey, it's Oregon. We are a democratic state for the people. But if you see what's going on with the Democrats, they're not for the people. They're for themselves and only for themselves. This is the first time I've ever heard of a state capital being shut down. Like it just happens. Please tell me if that happens in other states. I don't know.